Welcome to Expert SEM knowledge term sharing session, especially related to supply chain and logistics terms. Here we are going to see a term called Kaizen. It is a Japanese name, most probably used in lean and JIT type of companies, but it is also used in other industries to improve the productivity, as this is a Japanese term for improvement. Okay, refers to continuous improvement involving everyone, including managers and workers. In manufacturing, Kaizen relates to finding and eliminating waste in machinery, labor, or production method. It need not apply only to the manufacturing situation. It can be easily adopted for supply chain activity, including material planning, warehousing, logistics, distribution. Here, what we are trying to do is find out the waste producing activity and try to minimize or eliminate some activity, and this can be applied not only in production environment but even in the office environment. So normally we call, for example, if you take cycle, cash to cash cycle, you may have to find out how much time it is taking for a particular organization, and if customer is not accepting such a time, then you may take up a Kaizen activity, find out the activity which is not value adding or taking more than the required time. You should propose a method by which we can reduce the time, or it can be even applied for quality. And ultimately what we are seeing is our entire process should have only value added activity which are recognized by the customers and they are willing to pay for such a process. All other activities or process is waste. Kaizen aims to eliminate the waste. Thanks for watching. Bye.